Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. You will see at my back that the bougainvillea that we're trying to form like a castle is now growing fast, and it's now very apparent that we are almost to achieve the goals, which is to make this as a cover of our pathway towards our stage. And just yesterday, we are so blessed to have or to receive so many visitors, and they are so delighted with the kind of flowers that we have here at the farm. If you can see right here, the flowers, they are a mix of bougainvillea. We have this mani mani as we call it, and we have so many uh, vibrant colored flowers. I mean, it's a tree. It's a yellow tree right there, and we have this anahaw and many colorful leaves that you can see right there. And many people have asked, Dexter, can I get one or two branch so that we can propagate on our own? I said yes. You can always have that, and many people were so delighted. By the way, our topic for today is all about uh, the solar panels that we are, or the solar system that we're doing here. And I'm so glad that all throughout the night we were not able to use the, you know, the the electric power that comes from the electric cooperative. I mean that we use 100% of our solar energy, and we are not anymore very dependent. I said very dependent because sometimes if the temperature is not that high, we still have to turn on the electricity from the cooperative. And today, since it's really warm, I've been blogging about this. It's warm, and we don't have rain, though we experienced rain last night. No, the other night. We are 100% off grid. See that, guys? You will see we set up yesterday. It's a Mother's Day. Many people have visited here, and I'm so happy to just announce that we are now receiving regular visitors. We're not doing so much of the advertisement, but the people who are able to visit here are so kind enough to also post this to our, to their social media. 어린아이 장난 같아 So come on guys, let's see here that the source of our power is totally from the solar panel, the battery, going to the inverter, and then the inverter supplies power here at the house. And this house is the farm. So it's totally off grid. Since we are able to adjust, we're turning off the big appliance like the refrigerator every night so that the battery right here can reach up to morning. And now the solar panel is charging, but the battery still has 19%. So this is really the technique that if you have only one single battery, which is like this. Then you have to turn off during the night the big refrigerators, appliances. You know, I have here actually 4 refrigerators and 2 freezers, and we're turning it off because we're actually still having this, you know, we have this, you turn this off, but the ice is still very hard, you know. So it will give us the impression now that we don't need to on the appliances every night. So this is a very successful story about the solar system, and we are cutting more than half already of our electric bills. So we will go to the farm and we will visit some of our animals right there. So we will proceed now to the farm. I'm using my cell phone, and it proves to us that it's a good device as well for vlog. So we are now going inside the farm, and we will check what is going on here. By the way, if you plan to visit here, we have this you know, entrance fee, and just very minimal, it's just $2, just 100 pesos. And you will see here, wow, this is Reagan, our staff here. Reagan, can you say hi? Oh, every morning we're actually cleaning this one and cleaning this thoroughly, because since we are accepting visitors, we don't want them to experience or smell foul odors. And you will see here that we already have the pathway. Actually, I already made a vlog about this, and this pathway is going towards the other portion. And you will see here that we have what? We have so many birds. These are the local birds. I don't know if you can see that. The local birds that can be seen right here. Wow. You see that? They're flying. They're afraid. But I can feel that when we're gonna have this pathway right there, they will be used to it. Actually, I'm going to make a bridge over here, and we can go near to this native birds, and then we will have bird watching. So this area is still vast. Actually, over there we can still improve that area. You see the tower? This is the line, actually the boundary of the property, and still very vast here. So this one is called the wild ducks. I don't know if what's the English of this. And you will be surprised that this area, though it's very summer here, we're experiencing El Nino, but this area is still very filled with water. Come on, guys, we will visit the ostrich. Wow, see the ostrich. Hi guys, what you're doing? They're eating a lot. Wow, what is that? You're eating what? That's pellet. Okay, you eat bananas? Oh, you're so hungry. I think they will like to eat bananas early in the morning, but we don't have bananas yet. Oh, really. Wow. And I'm glad that the eye of this ostrich had been fixed already. I mean, it's healed already, right there. It's healed. Ooh. You know, ostrich, I believe that ostrich are the descendants of the dinosaurs. You look at their feet. Oh, that feet is a feet of a dinosaur. You see that? Two-toed feet. So this is the update. And if you will see over here, you will see this beautiful landscape that we have tried 2 months ago to develop. You see that? Wow. These are the fish that you can see here. Right here, we have this kind of fish that entertains the customer. They are the red tilapia. And if you can see, oh well, we will turn this on. We'll turn this on. This is the, actually this is the plug of our fountain right there. See? So we will see what happened right here. So this is the scene. This artificial waterfall makes this place so special, this area here, because we can hear the sound of the water, and it's been it's really clean water that's coming out, and it gives oxygen to the fish. So to sum it up, I'm quite satisfied with what we have done here at the farm, and this is a product of strong effort. I will say the word strong effort because this is not just an ordinary effort. We painstakingly devote our time, our attention, our energy, and even our resources, minimal resources of course, and yet we are able to come up with these improvements. And you look at here, we have already this papaya. Wow, there are plenty of papayas right here, over there. So these papayas would give us fruits in the future. And the lesson that I have learned is that if we will just pursue our dreams, our goals in life, then someday, somehow, God will pour out His mercy and give us the desires of our hearts. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you will continue to like and share videos. If you are not subscribed to this channel, I humbly ask you to please subscribe. Hit that notification bell because we're uploading videos very regularly now. Shout out to the members of this channel. Thanks a lot for your support. See you in my next vlog on here at Dexter's World.